Hello my beautiful friends and welcome to another video. I'm Mandy. This is my channel. I like to talk about things in real life, including makeup and makeup panning and makeup unboxings or unbaggings. And if you want to see more, stay tuned. Alright, this month's Ipsy. I got my Ipsy bag. Alright, let's open it up. That's all, everything. Okay, cool. So, this month, I don't know, it's been a month. Let's see, this is the beautiful bag. We got some flowers on it, and the back's pink. It is one of those like faux leather vinyls again. It's got a rounded shape, so it's a little bit smaller. Kind of cool. This month I picked sheet masks. So we have from the creme shop. This is a turmeric and matcha fusion sheet mask. Benefits of 2 masks in 1. So that's turmeric and matcha. And then this one is the same fusion, is in vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So we got some sheet masks, and now let's see what else is in here. So that's what I picked. What did Ipsy pick for me? First things first is a pencil. It's a pencil. It's beauty for real. Okay? Never heard of that brand. Let me wipe my swatches from my previous video off my hand, because I forgot to do that before filming. Okay, I'll clean. Alright, my pencil. This is from Beauty for Real. And this is Define Lip Liner in Neutral Deep. I like deep lip colors, but... okay. That is pretty deep. That is like... I can't tell if that's dark brown or burgundy. I'll have to look at it in better lighting. But that is a deep lip liner. Beauty for Real. I don't know anything about this brand. If you know anything about the brand Beauty for Real, let me know. But it is a twist up pencil, and like this is a neutral deep lip liner. Interesting. Okay, I'll give it a shot. I like a deep lip. I like a dark lip. Alright, this is the card, and this month's theme is Wild Beauty. This month, delight in all the things that make you feel alive. A fresh mani, botanical skincare, going barefoot in the grass, and let your imagination run wild. Sorry, got a little theatrical. And Ipster Fave brands. Okay. It doesn't tell me what's in the bag or anything about the things in the bag. It just gives me some stuff about other stuff. So who knows what that's all about. Alright, next up is another pencil. This one is from Divine Callow. It's a Cajole Pencil. Okay, I'm guessing it's a eyeliner in black. So there's that. Does it have a color name, like, besides just black? Nope. Okay. So it's black. It's a black eyeliner pencil. Pretty cool. So I got 2 pencils and 2 sheet masks. I got 2 more products. 2 more products. Alright, this is a big tube. What is this? Ooh, I like this. This is Hemps Pomegranate Herbal Body Butter. Hydrate and renew. I like that. I like Hemps. I actually put Hemps on today. I have the Koa and Sweet Almond on today. So, yay. And it's in a tube because it's body butter versus lotion. Ooh. And it's pomegranate. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to keep it sealed, but that's exciting. And then the last one is a teeny tiny tube. And it is from First Aid Beauty. It is the Eye Duty Niacinamide Brightening Cream. So that is an eye cream. A niacinamide eye cream. Cool. And it's that teeny tiny little guy. Like, I mean, look at the size comparison. Hello, I'm teeny tiny and I'm great big. You know, sorry. Anyway, so that's what we got. That's pretty cool. We got the pretty bag. We got the body butter. We got the eye cream. We got an eye pencil, a lip pencil, and 2 masks. So 2 sheet masks, 2 pencils, and 2 tubes. Yay! Alright, if you enjoyed this video, give it a great big thumbs up. If you want to get your own Ipsy bag, I will leave a referral link in the description. It doesn't get me anything that I know of, except maybe points, which, what are those good for? But yeah, it'll give you a chance to check it out if you're not already subscribed. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's all optional. But anyway, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, as I already said. And if you want to see more of my content, hit the subscribe button. That way you will, it'll come into your feed. And if you want to be notified when I upload those videos, hit that little bell icon and then they will send you a notification saying, hey, Mandy uploaded a new video today. So thank you for watching, and until my next video, take care of yourselves and I'll see you later. Bye!